It all begins underground, where ginger matures slowly in fertile soil.
Harvesting requires precision, strong hands, trained eyes, and perfect timing.
Fresh ginger is packed immediately to preserve aroma and moisture. Only mature, healthy rhizomes move forward in the process.
Loose soil is removed before transport begins.
Quality control starts before the factory ever sees the product.
Every batch is tracked from the moment it leaves the field.
Once harvested, time becomes critical.
From soil to system, ginger begins its journey toward juice.
This is where raw ginger meets controlled precision.
Only approved raw materials enter this system.
Inside these walls, raw ginger is transformed under strict control.
Every movement follows a defined industrial rhythm.
Traceability remains intact at every step.
The intake line marks the official start of processing.
Hygiene protocols protect both product and people.
This is a controlled environment built for consistency.
Automation supports human oversight at every stage. Now, the real transformation begins.
Cleaning begins with controlled force and constant flow.
Human judgment adds a critical layer of quality control.
Unwanted material is removed automatically. Consistency improves efficiency in later stages. The cleaning phase concludes with precision. Now, the core processing stage takes over. Flow control is critical before mechanical processing begins.
Uniform cutting ensures efficient juice extraction.
Every gram is measured for consistency.
Picking up your timing and exposure are carefully balanced.
Controlled pressure replaces manual force.
This is where texture begins to change.
Cell walls break, releasing aroma and heat.
Extraction is about to begin.
Pressure replaces time in modern extraction. Liquid and fiber are cleanly divided.
Nothing is wasted in the process.
Fresh juice is stabilized immediately.
Early filtration improves clarity. Balance is maintained by constant monitoring.
Heat is controlled to protect flavor. The liquid is now ready for refinement.
Automation increases both speed and precision.
Centrifugal force refines the liquid.
Clarity signals effective processing.
Data guides every adjustment.
Fine filtration polishes the product.
Machines respond instantly to change. Purity improves shelf stability.
Uniformity defines the final character.
Consistency is verified, not assumed.
Safety is built into the system.
Microbial risks are eliminated without harming flavor.
Cooling locks in freshness.
The liquid reaches its final form. Now it waits for packaging.
The final stage is set. Quality is verified before release.
Testing happens close to the process. Chemical balance defines stability.
Safety is confirmed scientifically.
Only approved batches move forward.
Human senses remain part of the process. Production resumes with confidence.
Preparation for shipment begins here. Storage and transport readiness is verified.
Distribution begins to bring freshness to the market.
Products await dispatch in optimal conditions.
And this is how modern factories produce ginger juice from start to finish.